Hello, welcome to an e-demo, part of our Video Intelligence series on the setup of a Video Intelligence dwell alarm on VideoEdge. Today we have a small store with low staffing levels, and we want to use a dwell rule to play a small sound into the store to alert the member of staff on duty that the customer is waiting at the cash register. To set the rule up, we need to configure it on our VideoEdge first, so I'm just going to right click on the recorder in my Victor device list here and choose Configure. And the first step within the VideoEdge administration interface is to enable it on the camera itself. So I'm just going to choose the setup icon next to the appropriate camera, and I'm going to choose Video Intelligence from the Video Analysis drop down, and I'm also going to make sure my camera is in one of the two video analysis recording modes, which are record only on alarms and record always with alarms. Okay, I'm just going to save that change then, and now we have the camera configured. We're ready to configure the alarm rule itself. So I'm going to choose Alarms under the Devices menu here, and the first thing to do in here is to select the camera from the drop down and just choose the plus icon to create a new rule. I'm going to give my rule a name there, and I need to select its type from the type drop down here, which of course in this case is going to be dwell. And with that done, I'm ready to configure the parameters below. First thing I need to do is make sure my alarm is enabled, which it is. So I can go ahead then and set an overlap setting. This is a percentage value which refers to the amount of the object, or in this case it's going to be a person, that must be in the region of interest in order for the alarm to trigger. I'm going to bring this down to about 50% for this scenario, and that's going to ensure that no customer is missed and left waiting at the register for too long, potentially missing out on purchasing anything from the store. I also need to set a dwell time, and this is the amount of time in seconds that the person must dwell at the register before triggering the alarm. Again, I'm going to keep it quite low at 7 seconds, and again that is to ensure a good level of customer service. The dwell time and the overlap setting can be tweaked at a later date if we're finding the alarm rule isn't working for this situation. Okay, so the next thing I need to do, if I wanted to, would be to set a color filter option, and I can check some of the color filter boxes here to only detect objects of a specific color in the region. I'm going to detect objects of all colors, so I'm just going to leave those empty for the meantime, and I'm going to move over to my camera scene and choose the polygon tool to draw my region of interest. And I'm just going to click to start, and I'm going to get that line there, and you can see if I click, create a corner, and I can just continue to click on around the region. Then I'm going to join back up with the start again to create the region of interest, and you can see it's highlighted in yellow there. And with that done, I'm just going to choose Save next to our rule, and the alarm is now set to be triggered.